everyone, welcome back to MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. Myself Shanaz. These are my 8th standard kids. Hello kids. Okay, so now you are going to have a small board test in mathematics chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.1. Okay, these solving these simple equations are very easy. Okay, they are damn easy. This you have already done in 7th standard also. Yes. Okay, so I want each one of you to come and solve it on the board. Okay, you want me to do one on the board and show?
No, ma'am.
You can do it, right? Okay, so you remember? Okay, so in the previous class, in introduction to linear equations in one variable, what all we learned? We learned what are linear equations, what is a variable, parts of an equation. Yes, all that we understood, and how to solve the simple equation also we have done. Okay, so now each one of you will come and solve this. Okay, so first who will start? Who will do the inauguration? Rishi will do. Okay, Rishi, do the first one. Bhagya, take the book, tell him the equation. All those are linear equations in one variable, simple equation. 6m is equal to 12. Okay. Okay, so what you are going to do? Everyone, please see whether he is doing it correctly or not. So m is equal to 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So m is equal to 2. Yes, good, very good. Please clap for him. Okay. Next equation who will solve? Manoj will do. Okay. Next equation. Manish, come. Do the next one. Tell the equation to him.
14p
14p. Put the number. Write it little dark, kid.
equals to
14p.
minus 42.
If you put like this and write, then it will write dark. Yes. Minus. Okay. Solve it. You have to take variable one side and all the constant to the other side. Yes. Kids, you know the terms of solving. When you transpose, what are the terms? P is equal to? Yes. P is equal to minus 42. By 14 you will bring it this side. Yes. Now, how you can solve? Fourteen threes are 14 ones are. Yes. So, what is the answer? P is equal to minus 3. Yes, it is correct, kids? Yes, please clap for Manish. Okay. Kids, you know the terms of transposing, right? Okay, when you transpose the terms, plus becomes, plus quantity becomes minus, minus quantity becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. You know these terms of transposing, right? Okay, then next equation, who will do it? Please rub the board. Yeah, Bhagya, please take. Yes. Rishi, tell her the next equation. Dictate the next equation to her. Come on, fast, kid. Okay. Okay, what is the name? Minus
Minus 5y is equals to
minus 5y is equal to 30. Okay. So what you will do now? You have to transpose, right? Yes. Y is equal to 30 by minus 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5, 6 are. Yes. Y is equal to minus 6. Very good, Bhagya. Very good. Keep it up. Please clap for Bhagya. Okay. Next equation, Hari Prasad. Please come and do it on the board. Rishi, dictate him the next equation.
minus 2x
Minus 2x. Write little dark, kids.
minus 12.
Okay. X is equal to minus 12 by minus 2. Okay. Then 2 ones are 2 6 are. Yes. And minus signs also will get cancelled. Minus sign also will get cancelled. So it will be x is equal to 6. Yes. Very good. Please clap for Hari Prasad. Okay. Okay, Hari Charan, do the next. Rishi, please dictate him the equation.
34x is equals to minus 51.
34x is equal to minus 51. Okay, so what you will do now? X is equal to minus 51 by 34. Okay. Then, in which table you can take them? 17. 17 twos are, 17 threes are. Okay, then x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Is it correct, kids? Yes, very good. Please clap for Hari Charan. Good. Next, Manoj, come and do the next equation. Rishi, dictate him.
n minus 7.
No, Do it there, Manoj. Okay, come on. Fast, kid. Okay.
N by 7 is equals to minus
N by 7 is equal to
minus 3.
minus 3. Yes. So N is equal to is equal to minus 3 into 7. See kids, here it is division, right? 7. So when you transpose it, it becomes multiplication. So N is equal to minus 21. Is it correct, kids? Very good. Please clap for Manoj. Okay, next do it that side. Rishi, go do it that side. Manoj, dictate the equation to him. Rishi, come on, do the next one.
2x minus 2x
Yes, come on. Dictate. 2x by 3
is equals to 18.
equal to 18. Okay, how you will do it now? Yeah. First you transpose this denominator. 2x is equal to, what are you doing? The same thing you're writing. Okay. 2x is equal to, right? 2x equal to 18. This is here division. So here it will be multiplication into 3. See, there are two ways of doing this, Rishi. Okay, there are two ways. One, what you can do is, you bring this also simultaneously. See, 2x is equal to 18. This 3 here division. Here it becomes multiplication. So 2x is equal to 18 into 3, how much? 18 into 3? 54. Okay, then x is equal to 54 by 2. How much it will be?
22.
How much?
22.
X is equal to 27. Yes, kids? Am I right? Okay. Then other way is, you can do 2x, okay, is equal to 18 into 3. This 2 also simultaneously you can bring it here. Okay, then you can do 2 1s are 2, 9s are 9 3s are
27, ma'am.
yeah, 9 3s are 27. So x is equal to 27. This way. Did you understand? Did you understand how it is? Okay, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. First you are bringing the denominator this side. Okay, here it is division. So when you transpose, it becomes multiplication. 2x is equal to 18 into 3. So 18 into 3 is how much? 54. 2x is equal to 54. Okay, then again you will transpose this to this side, because you have to take variable one side, right? You have to find the value of this variable. Okay, so x is equal to 54 by 2. 2 1s are and 2.
27.
Yeah, how you are doing this? 2 2s are 4. 1 here. 2 7s are 14. You understood, kid? X is equal to 27. You do it this way or this way. How it is? Fine? Okay. This for clap was for Rishi or for me? Okay, next whose turn? Hari Prasad. Dictate him.
3x plus 1
3x. Write little dark, dear. 3x
plus 1
plus 1
is equals to 16.
equal to 16. Yes, do it. 3x is equal to 16 minus 1. X is equal to, okay, 3x is equal to 15. Yes, x is equal to 15 by 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3 5s are. So x is equal to 5. It is correct, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
All those who are watching, it is right? Okay, please clap for Hari Prasad. Very good. Next one. Manish, do it that side. Manish, do it that side. Yes.
Ma'am, after money sign.
Yes. 3. Write it little dark, Manish.
Is equals to 0.
You hold it at 90 degree then. 3p minus 7 is equal to 0. Yes, Manish, do it. 3p is equal to 7. Yes. P is equal to 3. Can you solve it? No, right? So, P is equal to 7 by 3 is the answer. All those who are watching, is it right? Yes. Please clap for Manish. Very good. Rub the board down. Okay, next, Bhagya. Come on, do it. Rishi, dictate the equation. 13
Minus 6n
minus 6n
is equals to 7.
equal to 7. Okay, come on, do it. Minus, from where you got m? N. Dear, can you see there is a sign minus here? So please don't change the sign. Minus 6n. 7. Then when you transpose this constant here, it will be plus 13 will become minus 13. Okay, minus 6n is equal to minus 6. Yes. N is equal to minus 6 by minus 6. 6 get cancelled. So n is equal to how much? Write the value there. n is equal to how much? 1. Is it correct, kids? Is it correct? Please clap for Bhagya. Okay. Next, Haricharan. Come on, do it. Let Haricharan do. Okay, let Haricharan do it. What is? Please dictate the equation.
200y
Right. When Manish and Haricharan are writing, then only it is not.
minus 51
Write it little dark. Otherwise, at this level, you do it here. You do it from here and hold it like this. Yes. Come on. Dictate. 200x.
200y
Y.
minus 51
Minus 51.
is equals to 49.
Write it neatly, kid. You're a left-hander. Okay. Okay, come on. How you will do it? See, does it look like Y? 200 Y. Yes, come on, do it. 200 Y equal to 49. This minus 15 will become plus 15. Write it there. Here, dear. Plus 15. 51, sorry. 49 plus 51, how much? Write it. How you got it? Haricharan. See what happened. You should not change anything, beta. Do it step by step. This is your equation. 200y minus 51 is equal to 49. Okay, you have to find the value of y here. Okay, so you are taking variables one side and constant you are solving one by shifting to the other side. So 200y is equal to 49. This minus 51 you transpose. So it becomes plus 51. Okay, so 200y, okay, is equal to 49 plus 51 how much? 100. Okay, then y is equal to this 100 by 200. You're transposing it this side.
1 by 2.
Okay, here it is multiplication, right? So when you transpose this side, it will become division. So 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200. So y is equal to 1 by 2. This is your answer. Is it correct? Correct, kids? Okay. Good. Okay, next Manoj turn. Manoj, do it. Rishi, dictate the equation. 4x minus 5 by 3 equal to 9. Please be careful with the signs. Okay. So 4x equal to. Okay, fine. You are copying the equation. Then what you are doing? Kids. How you will do it?
Me.
No, dear. It's not correct. It's not correct. Where you made a mistake, you tell me. See, kids, listen here. See, kids, it is 4x minus 5 by 3 equal to 9. So there is a fraction here. Okay, so 4x, what you did, you wrote as it is, variables you are taking to one side, and fraction you are shifting it on the other side. So here it will become what? Plus or minus? What it will become?
Minus or plus?
Yeah, plus 5 by 3. Okay, you do it, I'll tell you. You do it on the other side, then you will realize. Please give him other marker. Okay, Manoj, see here. So this is our equation. 4x minus 5 by 3 equal to 9. Okay. So now we have to take variables to one side, constant to the other side. Okay. And then solve it. Here we have a fraction. Okay. So now you take 4x. Take 4x. Variables you have to shift to one side, right? 4x equal to 9. 9. Then now what you will do? This minus 5 by 3 will become plus 5 by 3. Okay. So now you have to solve this first. How you will solve this? This is a whole number and this is a fraction. Can you add a whole number and a fraction? No, we cannot do that. To add this is a fraction, dear. Okay, it is not multiplication in the center, it's addition. Okay, so you cannot add a whole number and a fraction like this. So what you have to do is you have to convert this whole number into a fraction first. Write 9 properly. Okay, you have to convert this whole number into a fraction. You are listening, Rishi? Okay, so how you will do that? You have to take the LCM of the denominator. What is the LCM? It is 3 only. Okay. So now what you will do? You have to turn this what you say?
9 by
Whole
3.
number? Yes, whole number into a fraction with the same denominator. But not just, see how you will make this 9, you have to turn it into, what do you say?
9 by 1.
Improper fraction. You have to convert this whole number into improper fraction. So 9 by 1, right? Okay. So the LCM, what is the LCM? We have 3. Okay. So you have to multiply the denominator with 3 and you have to multiply the numerator also with 3. Okay. So that we get the common denominator. So it will be 9 3s are how much? 27 by 3. So 9, the whole number 9 is converted to what now? 27 by 3. So now 4x is equal to 9 is converted to what now? 27 by 3. Okay. Plus 5 by 3. Okay. Now the denominators are common. These are like fraction. Now we can add them easily. So how you will add?
Unlike
4x is like fractions. Fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions. Okay. So 27, you have to add only the numerators. Okay, denominator you will take it in common. 27 plus 5 by 3.
32.
Okay, how much?
32.
4x is equal to how much? 27 plus 32 by 3. Okay, fine. Okay, then now you have this 4x also. Yes, now take the 4x that side. So when you bring this 4x here, what it will become? Here it is
Plus.
Multiplication.
multiplication. So when you bring it this side, it will be division. So where you will do it now? It is 1 by 4 actually, not 4 by 1, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay? Fine. Then can you cancel? Just check how you can cancel. 4, 1s are 4, 8s are, okay? Then what you have?
8 by 3 divided by 1.
Yes. So x is equal to 8 by 3. You got it, kids, now? How to solve? Manish, you are listening? Okay. Next, Manish will solve now. Okay, next, Manish, dictate the equation. 11n plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, very easy one. Do it. So 11n is equal to 1 minus 1. So 11 is equal to 0. Then n is equal to 0 by 11. So n is equal to 0. Is it right, kids? Very good. Please clap for Rishi. Very good. Next, Manish, do it. Come on. Okay. Dictate the equation to him. Yes. Write it little dark, please. 7x. Write x like this. Dear, don't write x like an into. Write x like this. 7x. Tell me. 7x
Minus 9
minus 9
is equals to 16.
is equal to 16. Come on, solve it. Come on, do it, Manish.
After Manish, I
7x is equal to 16. Please, this sign should be clear. Plus, okay. Then, okay. Hari Prasad, please go back. Yes. 7x is equal to, come on. 7x. Write the same. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9, how much? How much? 25. Yes. Then, x is equal to 25. 25 by 7. That's it? You can solve it anymore? No, right? Okay, please clap for Manish. Very good. Next, who will do it? Bhagya, come on, do it. Please dictate the equation to her.
8x plus
8x plus
5 by
5 upon 2
2 is equals to 13.
equal to 13. Come on, do it. 8x equal to 13. Yes. Plus 5 upon 2 will become minus 5 upon 2. Yes? Okay, then. What I said? How you are supposed to do? Solve. Write this also if you are writing it. No. Write this also here. Same. Please give her a good marker otherwise. 8x equal to 13 into 2, 26 by 2. Okay, minus 5 by 2. Then 8x equal to 26 minus 5 by 2. Okay, you do it that side, Bhagya. X, 8x, write it dark please. 8x. Bhagya, can you take this marker? Maybe it will help you. Okay, 8x equal to 21 by upon 2. Okay, then yes, then x dark. Okay, continue. Yes. Now, what you will do? 8, 1 by 8. Okay. Continue. Let her do. Yes. Correct only. Continue. Yes, do it. What happened? Yes. Do it. You can write. What was this? You just write it neatly once again. Let me see. What was that? 21 upon 2. 8. Huh. Then this is what sign will come here? Into? Yes. Then 21. 21. 2 8s are 16. X is equal to 21 by 16 will be the answer. Okay? No, correct only. X is equal to 21 by 16 is the answer. Okay? Correct. Please clap for her. Okay, next. Manoj will do. Okay, Manoj is doing next. What are you writing? Okay, just write the equation. Dictate the equation to him, Rishi.
X plus
X plus
4 by 3. 1 here 3. 1 by 2.
Yes, correct only, right. Okay, now solve it. Give one marker. Which way is you writing? Take this. Okay. Come on, do it. Yes. X equal to See, this is mixed fraction. What is this? Manoj, 1 minute. Look here. This is mixed fraction. Okay? Whole number and a fraction. Okay? So this is a mixed fraction. So to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, what you have to do? How? First you have to convert this mixed fraction. Manish, you are listening? First you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how you will do? Yes. 3, this you will multiply and then you will add this. First you have to add the whole number to the denominator and then add the numerator. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. And then you will keep the same denominator. So 7 by 2. So when you convert the mixed fraction 3, 1 by 2, it will become 7 by 2. Okay, now you write. Rub this off now. This is all no need. You have converted, right? Okay. 7 by 2. Then minus 4 by 3. Now can you solve? Now there are two fractions which you have to subtract. Can you subtract them like that? No. Why? Because they are unlike fractions. Okay, so first you have to convert them into like fractions and then you can subtract. To convert this into like fractions, what you have to do? Find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of the denominator is 6. So what you will do? You have to multiply the numerator and the denominator both with such a number that you will get. Yes. No need. This one is same. This one will be same because you don't have to convert this. Okay, then 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6. Oh yeah, this one also, sorry. Multiply this one also. These people are making so much noise that